South Bend, Indiana. The Prince of Pan-Africanism is here. Come on through. 120 MLK Jr. Boulevard. We at the Century Center. 120 MLK Jr. Boulevard, South Bend, Indiana. We still got door tickets. The vendors is in the building. We here. Sister right now blessing the mic with her vocals. And then it's time for the Prince, followed by the book signing and photo session. So come on through South Bend, Gary, Indianapolis. We in the building. Prince of Pan-Africanism debut. Shout out to the Phoenix Suns, Chris Paul. Handle that. Shout out to the Philadelphia Sixers, hometown. Handle that. Brooklyn Nets. Handle that. Fayetteville, North Carolina, June 4. Statesville, June 6. Detroit, June 18. Atlanta, June 19. Garvey Day, Louisville, August 14th. It's almost that time to bless the mic.